Hey everyone, welcome to Laratips. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sort by null always last. Let me show you one thing over here. Here in the database, I have a lot of articles over here. And you can see here there is a lot of published at and some of them are null. And if I just sort it by, let's say, ascending order, then you can see here so many things are showing over here as null. And whenever you are showing it in a UI, then it will just show empty values over here. But whenever you are ordering this published at date or whatever the date that you want by ascending order, then you always want to show the dates first that are in ascending order. So you always want those dates in the beginning, and then in the last you want to show these null values. And in this video I'll be showing you how to do this. So let me go over here in the Tinkerbell. Let's say article, let's say query, and let me only select ID and published at, and let me get all the results. Let me show it in a table form. Here at the bottom it will now show here in the table form. So if I get it, then it is just showing me this ID and published at, and you can see here all these records and you can see here all the pages, but I am only seeing here this 10 and we can just choose whatever we like. So here it is just showing me as it is. So here let me just reset it, and you can see here all these dates are looking same. And now let me just order by published at. If we don't mention anything over here, then it will order by ascending order. So if I run it, then you can see here all the published at date are empty, and if I go here in the next page, then only I'll see those dates. You can see the issue over here. But let me just order by descending. So let me just copy this thing over here, comment this out, order by descending, and just reload. Then you can see here the latest date is shown over here, and then the value is decreasing. So this is fine, but in case of ascending, it is not working properly. So let me just run it like this. Now let us sort by the null always in the last. So for that we need to use a raw order by. This is not available in the Laravel by default. So I'll say here order by raw, and now we need to order by either true or false. Here we have whether the published at is null or not. If it is null, then it will be 1 if we do a conditional check over here, and if it is not null, then it will be false, or let's say 0 and 1. And if we order by ascending, then the 0 will come first and the 1 will come later. So here I'll say published at is null, which means that if the published at is null, then it will be 1, and if it is not null, it will be 0, which means that not null value will come first and then the null value will come. So now if I reload, then you can see here all the values that are not null are coming in the beginning, and if I go here in the next page, then you can see here it has a value, and all the other values that are null are showing in the last. But if I again show you over here, then this thing is not ordered by the ascending order. You can see here 19, 21, 29, and again we have this 23 over here. So for that we need to again order it by published at. So here I'll say order by published at. First we'll order the results by whether the value is null or not, and then we'll order by the published at in ascending order. So now if I reload, then you can see here all the data are ordered in the ascending order, and the null is always in the last.